How to join private channel on Telegram without invitation link. First of all, open Telegram. You have to open the group that you created. Then at the top you can see add members, tap on it and now tap on copy invite link. So the link has been already copied to your clipboard. Let's come back from this Telegram and open any browser of your choice. Once you open browser, you have to paste the link that you previously copied. Then you have to remove half of the link up to the plus. And once you have done that, you need to add the name of that particular group that you want to join. Once you have written, you need to search for it. And now let's tap on continue to Telegram. Tap on continue. So the site wants to open the Telegram application. Once you open, you need to tap on the group's name at the top of the screen and check the description. So that's how we can easily join private channel on Telegram without invitation link. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.